Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session. I am Dr. Murugan K, Assistant Professor, Government College for Women, Kolar. In this session, I am going to cover the topics positional parameters, special variables and parameters, and command substitution. Positional parameters. In UNIX-Shell Programming, if we want to pass the value using command line, we use positional parameters. Parameters also known as arguments. Positional parameters are numbered and are referred with a preceding dollar, such as $1, $2, $3, and so on. A shell program may reference up to 9 positional parameters. For example, $0 represents the name of the command being executed. $1 to $9 represents 1 to 9 parameters. If a shell program is invoked with a command line using these parameters, the positional parameter $1 is assigned the value A1, $2 is assigned the value A2, and so on. Let us discuss example. Create a file called CS, then enter the echo command as follows. Echo the first positional parameter is $1, echo the second positional parameter is $2, and so on. Here, echo command is used to display output to the terminal. $1, $2, $3, and $4 are positional parameters. If you execute this shell program with the arguments BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA, you will obtain the following results. That is SH, CS, BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA. Here CS is the file name, BSc, BCA, MSc, and MCA are arguments. That is BSc is referred by $1, we get output. The first positional parameter is BSc. BCA is referred by $2, we get BCA. MSc is referred by $3, we get MSc. MCA is referred by $4, we get MCA. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the file CS that already created. Here the echo command is used to display output to the terminal. $1, $2, $3, and $4 are positional parameters. If we execute this program with the arguments BSc, BCA, MSc, MCA, we get output. The first positional parameter is BSc, the second positional parameter is BCA, and so on. Here BSc is referred by $1, we get BSc. BCA referred by $2, we get BCA. MSc is referred by $3, we get MSc. And MCA is referred by $4, we get MCA. Next, special variables and parameters. UNIX-Shell Programming has special variables. Let us discuss some important special variables. That is, $0 represent the file name of the current script. $n represent n is a positive decimal number corresponding to the position of argument. The first argument is $1, the second argument is $2, and so on. $as represent the number of arguments applied to the script. $* represent if all the arguments are double quoted. If a script receives 2 arguments, $* is equivalent to $1 and $2. $at represent all the arguments are individually double quoted. If a script receives 2 arguments, $at is equivalent to $1, $? Represent the exit status of the last command executed. $$ represent the process number of the current shell. $! symbol represent the process number of last background command. Let us discuss example. Create a file called comp.sh. Enter the following echo commands. It contains set of echo commands with different positional parameters. If you execute this shell program with the argument 10 and 20, you will obtain the following results. That is comp.sh 10 20. Here comp.sh is a file name, 10 and 20 are arguments. comp.sh is referred by $0, we get output file name comp.sh. 10 is referred by $1, we get first parameter 10. 20 is referred by $2, we get second parameter 20. $A referred by two parameters, we get output quoted values 10 20. $* referred by two parameters, we get output quoted values 10 20. $as referred by total number of parameters, we get output 2. $$ referred by process number, we get 5286. Process number varying from system to system. Let us check this command on the terminal. Consider the program comp.sh that already created. It contains set of echo statements with different positional parameters. If we execute this program with the arguments 10 and 20, we get output. Here, the file name comp.sh referred by $0, we get comp.sh. 10 is referred by $1, we get output 10. 20 is referred by $2, we get 20. $@ refers to argument, we get 10 20. $* refers to argument, we get 10 20. $* refers total number of arguments, we get 2. $$ display process number. Here 48 is the process number. Next, command substitution. Command substitution is the mechanism by which the shell performs a given set of commands and then substitute their output in the place of the commands. There are two ways of command substitution. They are using back quotes, using $sign. Using back quotes, it's substituting any shell command in between back quotes. Execute the command. Syntax: variable equal to command. For example, the date command is executed in the following example and the produced result is stored in the variable d. Usually, the date command displays the current system date and time. Here, the result of date command is assigned to the variable d. This is known as substitution. Then, the echo command displays the current system date and time using the variable d. Another way of command substitution is using $. The general syntax is $command. For example, the date command is executed in the following example and display the output. That is, the result of date command substitutes and display along with the given string. Let us check this command on the terminal. Usually, the date command displays current system date and time. Here, the result of date command is assigned to the variable d. The echo command displays the current system date and time using the variable d. This command is example of command substitution using $. Here, the result of date command display along with the given text. In this session, we discussed concept of positional parameters with example, special variables and parameters with example, and two ways of command substitutions with example. I hope you all understand the concepts. If you need more concept about these topics, go through the following reference books. Thanks for watching.